Hi everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Liang Yuanyuan, your professional Chinese teacher. So today our topic is bathroom. We're going to learn words about the facilities in the bathroom and some new characters. And if you're interested in our course, don't forget to subscribe our channel, go through our website, and if you have any suggestions, just comment below. So let's start our course today. So the first two new characters, 浴室. Have we learned it in housing before? First, 浴 means bath, like take a bath. 淋浴, right? And 室, room. 浴室, both forced tone. 浴室, right after me. 浴室, 浴室, 浴室. And first we have water heater, 热水器. 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 热 means hot. 水 means water. And 器 means machine. So the machine that makes the water hot. 热水器. 热 first tone. 水 third tone. 器 first tone. 热水器. And then we have shower head. 喷头. 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 喷 flat tone. 头 second tone. 喷头. And then bathtub. 浴缸. Right after me. 浴缸. 浴缸. 浴 fourth tone. 缸 flat tone. 浴缸. 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 And then shower curtain. 浴帘. 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 We just learned curtain, right? Which is 窗帘, because 窗 means window, and 帘 means the curtain. So the curtain for the window is 窗帘. The curtain for shower is 浴帘. 浴 means bath, shower. 浴帘. 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 So any words have a 浴 before it, mostly it is related to bath, take a bath. For example, 浴帽. 浴帽 shower cap. 浴帽 both first tone. 浴帽 read after me. 浴帽. 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 And then drain, floor drain. 地漏. 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 地 means floor. 地漏. 地漏 both first tone. And then we have towel. 毛巾. 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 毛 second tone. 毛. 毛. 巾. 巾. 毛巾. 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 And then hook. 挂钩. 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 挂 means hanging. 钩 means hook. 挂钩. And then 架子 rack. 架子. 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 Remember this is light tone. 子 z. 那架子架子架子. And mirror 镜子镜子镜子镜子镜子. Z here have no exact meaning. 镜 here means mirror. There's a trend like more and more words are created which have two characters in it, and it sounds better. So 镜子, they just add the 子 here and make this word sounds better. And then toilet, 马桶马桶 马桶 toilet cover 马桶盖马桶盖马桶盖 remember 锅盖 pot cover 锅盖 toilet rank 水 toilet tank 水箱水箱水箱 and then toilet paper 卫生纸卫生纸卫生纸 The 卫生 here means clean and 纸 means paper. And then garbage can 垃圾桶垃圾 means garbage 垃圾桶垃圾桶 Garbage bag 垃圾袋垃圾袋 Read after me 垃圾袋垃圾袋 So this is a course day. We have learned a lot of new expression and new words and new characters. Anyway, I hope you guys can do some review, and if you're interested in our course, don't forget to subscribe our channel, go to our website. If you have any suggestion about our course, just comment below. And don't forget to check the homework. Bye!